Step 2. Create your YouTube channel. Now that you're on YouTube with your new Gmail ID, click your profile icon again. You'll see Create a Channel. Click it. A page will open asking you to add a profile picture, logo or photo, and a channel name. The default name shown is your Gmail name, but you can change it. For example, if your channel is about houses, you could name it Beautiful and Elegant.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your own YouTube channel from scratch, step by step. If you've ever wanted to start a channel but didn't know where to begin, or maybe you've tried before but got stuck during setup, then this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn not only how to create your channel, but also how to do the important settings that every YouTuber must enable for better visibility and faster growth. Because if you skip these settings, YouTube won't know who your audience is, what language you're using, or what type of content you make. And that means your videos won't reach the right people.
So make sure you watch till the end, as I'll show you everything, from creating a new Gmail account, setting up your channel name, logo, and banner, to turning on all the right YouTube settings that help your channel grow. All right, friends, let's get started and learn how to create your own YouTube channel the right way.
If you're planning to start a new YouTube channel, I recommend that you first create a new email ID. Yes, only after creating a new Gmail ID should you create your YouTube channel. So let's see how to create a new Gmail account for YouTube. Look at my mobile screen. I've opened the YouTube app. Now, after opening YouTube, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. You'll see a page open. Click on Switch Account. All your email IDs will appear here. Now, click on the plus icon to add a new account. You'll see an option that says Create Account. Click on that. You'll get two options, for my personal use, for work, or my business. Since you want to create a personal YouTube channel, select For My Personal Use. Now the first step begins. It'll ask for your first name and last name. Last name is optional. Enter your name and click Next. Next, it'll ask for your date of birth, day, month, year, and gender. Fill in the details and click Next. Now, it'll give you some suggested Gmail addresses. If you like any of them, select one. But if you want to customize your Gmail ID, click on Create Your Own Gmail Address. Type your desired email name. If it says that username is taken, you'll have to modify it, maybe by adding some numbers. For example, if your name is already taken, just add some random numbers to make it unique. Once it's accepted, click Next. Now, it'll ask for a password. Create a strong password using capital and small letters, numbers, and special symbols like @. Click Next. You'll now see your Gmail address. Click Next. Scroll down, click I agree, and your Gmail account will be created. You'll automatically be redirected back to YouTube with your new Gmail ID.
Step 2. Create your YouTube channel. Now that you're on YouTube with your new Gmail ID, click your profile icon again. You'll see Create a Channel. Click it. A page will open asking you to add a profile picture, logo or photo, and a channel name. The default name shown is your Gmail name, but you can change it. For example, if your channel is about houses, you could name it Beautiful and Elegant. After typing your desired channel name, click Save. You'll also see a handle automatically generated. You can edit it if you want by adding numbers or variations. Handles are unique. They show up when you comment or when someone types @your_handle. After that, click Create Channel. Boom! Your YouTube channel is ready.
Step 3. Customize your channel.
Now, let's add your logo and banner image. Click on your profile, then click View Channel. Next, click the pencil icon to edit. To add a logo, click on the circle image area, choose a photo from your gallery, your logo or picture, zoom it in, and click Save as Profile Picture. Then, to add a banner, click on the banner area, then choose from My Photos, select your banner image, and click Save. You can also change your name or handle here and copy your channel link to share it. To write a channel description, click the pencil next to Description and write about your channel, what it's about, and what viewers can expect. You can also add social media links like Instagram or Facebook. Now, your channel looks complete with your logo and banner properly set.
So friends, that's how you can easily create your own YouTube channel from start to finish. You've learned how to set up your channel name, add your logo and banner, and most importantly, how to adjust the settings that help your videos reach the right audience. Now it's your turn. Go ahead, create your channel today, and start uploading your amazing content. Remember, consistency and the right setup are the keys to growing fast on YouTube. If this video helped you or taught you something new, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who also want to start their YouTube journey. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss out on future YouTube tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, friends. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating, keep growing, and take care.